Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to turn off developer mode on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. To turn off developer mode, the first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. If you're not already there, simply swipe up from the home screen to open your app drawer and tap on Settings. You can also swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Now that we're inside the Settings app, let's first check whether developer mode is currently enabled on your device. To do that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. If developer mode is enabled, you'll see an option called Developer Options at the very bottom of the list. Go ahead and tap on Developer Options. Once you're inside, you'll notice a toggle switch at the very top of the screen. If the switch is turned on, that means developer mode is currently enabled on your phone. To disable it, simply tap the toggle switch and turn it off. That's all you need to do to disable developer mode. However, after turning it off, you'll notice that the Developer Options menu is still visible in the Settings app. This is completely normal, so don't worry if you still see it there. Now, if you ever decide that you want to enable developer mode again in the future, the process is very simple. Go to About Phone, then tap on Software Information. Next, find the build number and tap on it 7 times. If prompted, enter your phone's PIN, password, or pattern. After that, you'll see a message confirming that developer mode has been enabled, and the Developer Options menu will appear again at the bottom of the Settings app. That's it. That's how you can turn off developer mode on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.